It's the fifth round of the National Supercross Championship. We are expecting about 150, 120 to 150 participants, and we are also having the international FMX riders. There are two riders coming from Australia. The track is about 800 meters in length. We have 16 double jumps. We have 2 triple jumps. And there's a big from the start line to the first corner we have about more than 100 feet. Normally we have about 90 or 100 feet. Here it's more than 100 feet, which will decide who will take the whole shot. It will make racing very close and very interesting. Besides the usual classes, we are running about 8 classes, out of which 2 are foreign classes and the rest are Indian classes. The interesting part is there are 2 junior classes. One is under 12 and the other is under 16.
Who ones are participating?
So far we've not received the complete list of entries, but I guess we'll have about 10 to 12 go-on riders.
Venue is in SI, the only in SI.
On 17th Sunday.
On 17th Sunday.